world's military. Which country has the largest army?
China.
China, correct. Which country has the largest navy?
China.
China, correct. Which country has the strongest military?
US.
USA, the strongest, very powerful. Which country has the most nuclear weapons?
Russia.
Russia, correct. Which country has the most submarines? You know those ship that transports weapons through water, hidden in water. Which country?
China.
China, correct. Which country has the best air force?
USA.
That is air defense. It's actually the United States of America. Which country has the most tanks? You know tankers? The ones that transport for fighting. Which country?
Russia.
Russia, actually. Which country or which military in the world is known as the People's Liberation Army?
China.
It's actually China. Now, the one for America has its own name, so you will get to that. Now, which country has the strongest missile defense system?
US.
It's actually the USA, United States of America. Now, which country has the top defense, is the top defense spender in Europe? That is, in Europe, they spend a lot of money on military.
UK.
It's actually the UK. We are talking about Europe. Probably that's why Russia, China, and the USA are missing out. They don't belong to Europe. Then which country has the largest, which country is the largest importer of firearms?
India.
It's actually India. They spend a lot of money on firearms. Then which country is the largest exporter of firearms?
USA.
It's actually the United States of America. And maybe at this point I need to make this clear. This could be the reason why most countries in the world are aligned to either China, the United States of America, or Russia. These are the three top superpowers in the world in terms of military, in terms of resources, in terms of power, although the US appears to have an edge over these two. So every country is either aligned to China, the USA, or Russia, whether in Africa, Europe, or the rest of the world. Now, for our viewers, my question is, which military in the world is known as the Navy SEALs? The Navy SEALs, that is, belongs to a certain country in the world. Which country is it? Share with us in the comment section, and we'll really, really appreciate. As usual, follow, like, comment. And the other thing I want to repeat is, apart from that, I wish to talk about Educate International. If you want to visit some of these top countries in the world, visit Educate International in Nairobi, Westlands, and get to know more about studying abroad. At this point also, my cameraman should come here and say one thing. I'm with Timothy.
Yes, so you can follow me at Team Shamia1 on TikTok. Then you can follow me on Facebook at Team Nyongesa.
Right.
I'm a Swahili teacher, mimi ni mwalimu wa Kiswahili. Tupatane na tujadiliane zaidi.
Okay. Asante sana. I will tag him and then you can